Hello, hello, hello. So let us discuss the power reversal. Here we are going to discuss the power reversal. Let me change the grid 1 second. So it is the power reversal. Suppose here it is the DC line system, DC system. It is rectifier system, converter 1, VA1 is the voltage of the converter 1. Here it is the AC system. So area is A1. Here the DC or rectified voltage is VA1. In between this is the DC link, and here it is the inverter station. Okay, this is the AC system, and this area is the A2, where the DC inverter section voltage is VA2. Inverter section is voltage is VA2, and we have assumed. What is our assumption? Our assumption here, current is flowing from A1 to A2. At first we have assumed this, okay, and power is flowing from A1 to A2. So at first we have assumed this. This is just the assumption. Okay, that means direction of current is this and direction of power is this from A1 to A2. This is just assumption. Reminder, this is the assumption. Okay. What is PD? We know DC link power is the VD into ID for monopolar link. For monopolar. Okay. Monopolar. VD into ID. Now what is VD? VD is the DC link voltage. DC link voltage. And what is ID? It is the DC link current. DC link current. If suppose the DC link voltage, that means this is the link here, this is the link here, this voltage, if this DC link voltage, the polarity is positive. Polarity of this voltage is positive. Polarity is positive. Suppose this voltage, the polarity is positive. If the polarity is positive, then what will happen? This VD is greater than 0. And if ID, polarity is positive, and if ID is greater than 0, when ID will be greater than 0, I will see. We will see later. Okay. Suppose if both greater than 0, then what will happen? PD is greater than 0. And what does this mean? Is greater than 0 means क्या है? देखो, VD greater than 0 means उसका polarity है positive. अब ID and PD greater than 0 उसका meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of this thing? This thing, this ID greater than 0 and PD greater than 0, इसका मतलब our assumption is correct. Our assumption is correct. What we'll assume that is correct. If ID is negative, that means what we have assumed, the direction of current is just that, the opposite of that assumption. If power is negative, that means what we have assumed, that the power is flowing from this side to that side, but we are getting power negative. That means the power direction is opposite what we have assumed. Fine. So to have proper assumptions, this PD is greater than 0. That means either both greater than 0 or both less than 0. Right? Now let's see. Let us see an example. Suppose this is a rectifier station. Suppose it is a rectifier station. Okay, it is a rectifier station where the voltage is 10 voltage. This is a DC link. This is an inverter station where the voltage is supposedly be 5 voltage. And our assumptions, current is flowing in this direction. It is I. Okay. And the power is also in this direction. Okay. That means we have assumed what we have assumed, that current and power from A1 to A2. Okay. And here the DC link polarity, here let's see, here DC link polarity is positive. Why? Because it is positive 10. Wait for the interruption. Sorry for the interruption. That here DC link polarity, it is positive. See, because it is 10 voltage and it is 5 voltage, positive 10 plus 10 and plus 5. So DC link polarity is positive. Thereby we can write here VD is greater than 0. Fine. And what is about current? See, we know, as we have already discussed, current always flow from high voltage to low voltage. High voltage to low voltage, right? So here current direction is from 10 to 5. That means current direction is A1 to A2. So current I can write VA1 minus VA2 divided by R, that is 10 minus 5 divided by R, that is greater than 0. Here current direction is current का value जो आ रहा है, that is greater than 0. That means our assumptions is right. Assumption is right. Fine. So current is flowing from A1 to A2. VD is 0, ID is 0. That means VD is greater than 0, ID is greater than 0. Thereby power is greater than 0. That means assumption is right. What is our assumption? Our assumption is power is flowing from A1 to A2. So power is flowing from A1 to A2. Flowing from A1 to A2. Right. Now, let's reverse the polarity. Let's reverse the polarity of voltage. Let is reversed. क्या होता है देखते हैं. रिवर्स कर देते हैं पहले. -10. This is -10. This is -5. This is -10 and this is -5. Reverse कर दिए. And we have assumed current direction is this and power direction is this. We have assumed. Okay. अब क्या है? VD is negative because of this minus, because of the sign, because of VD is the DC link voltage, because of the sign. Okay. Or because of the polarity. Because of the polarity of the line. Polarity of the line. Of the link. Polarity of the link. Now, अब current direction क्या होगा? Current equals to VA1 minus VA2 by R. VA1 minus VA2 by R. Okay. VA1 is equals to -10 minus VA2 क्या हो रहा है? -5 divided by R. It is -5 by R. That means less than 0. अब current is less than 0. इसका मतलब our assumption of current direction is wrong. Our assumption of current direction is actually wrong. That means what we have assumed? We have assumed that current is flowing from A1 to A2, but no, this is A1, this is A2, but no, current is actually flowing from A2 to A1. Fine. Now let's see power. Power equals to Vd into Id. Here Vd is negative because of reverse polarity. Id we found minus 5 by R. Id we found minus 5 by R. That means Id is also negative. So Pd is greater than 0. Vd is negative, Id is negative. So Pd is greater than 0. That means our assumption related to Pd, is right. And what we have assumed, let's see. We have assumed that power is flowing from A1 to A2. That means our assumptions that power is flowing from A1 to A2, it is right. So in this case, what we have observed? Voltage polarity reversed. Voltage polarity is reversed. Okay, voltage polarity is reversed. But voltage polarity is reversed. Current is flowing from high voltage to low voltage, and direction of power is opposite to direction of current. This is our ऑब्जर्वेशन. अब देखो पहला केस में क्या हुआ था? पावर A1 से A2 जा रहा था, करंट भी A1 से A2 जा रहा था. सेकेंड केस में वोल्टेज रिवर्स कर दिए, करंट तो रिवर्स हो गया लेकिन अभी भी पावर A1 से A2 जा रहा है. सो पावर रिवर्सल इज नॉट देयर. सो पावर रिवर्सल इज स्टिल नॉट देयर. पावर रिवर्सल is still not there. Now, how can we reverse this power? Suppose, do one thing. It was minus 10 earlier. Currently, keep this as minus 5 and change this voltage to minus 10. Area 1 voltage, earlier it was minus 10. Currently, it is minus 5. And earlier, A2 area has voltage minus 5. Currently, it is minus 10. And we have assumed the direction of current. What is our assumption? Same. This is direction of current assumption. This is 5. So direction. So this is our assumption. Fine. This is our assumption. See, ID is what? VA1 minus of VA2. VA1 minus VA2 divided by R. Okay, divided by R. It is 5 by R. That is greater than 0. ID is greater than 0. That means our assumption is correct. That means ID is flowing from A1 to A2. See, A1 voltage is, ID is flowing from what? A1 to A2. See, ID is flowing from A1 to A2. Our assumption was correct. Yes, our assumption was correct. So what is about power? Power, here Vd polarity is less than 0, negative. ID is greater than 0. ID is positive. Vd is less than 0, but ID is positive. So power is less than 0. And also we can say, if we can observe the same thing, if the voltage polarity is negative, direction of power is opposite to the direction of current. Here, see, power direction is less than 0. That means our assumption. What is our assumption? Our assumptions that power is flowing from A1 to A2 is wrong. Our assumption A1 to A2, it is wrong. So here, power is flowing from A2 to A1. So in the first case, power was flowing from A1 to A2. In this case, power reversal is there. Okay, so power reversal is there. Fine. So see, current हमेशा follow करेगा high voltage to low voltage. This -5 is high voltage, -10 is low voltage. So current is flowing from high voltage to low voltage, and we have assumed that the current is direction is this. Now power direction भी इधर मैंने assume कर लिया था A1 to A2, but power direction is opposite to the direction of current whenever the voltage polarity is negative. Mathematically, it is also proved here. So thereby, in this case, in this way, power reversal is possible. So at first हमने क्या किए? At first हमने देख लिए कि for positive polarity of voltage, current का direction देख लिए कि high voltage to low voltage जा रहा है, and power direction भी same होगा. लेकिन negative direction of negative polarity of voltage, for the negative polarity of voltage, हम लोग क्या देखे? Current का direction तो high voltage to low voltage जाएगा, but power का direction just will be opposite of the current direction. Fine. अब power reversal के लिए हम लोग क्या किए? पहले वोल्टेज रिवर्स किए, उसके बाद ऐसा कुछ किए ताकि करंट का डायरेक्शन प्रीवियस जैसा रहे. ठीक है, जैसे पहले एकदम सबसे पहले करंट जा रहा था A1 एरिया से A2, करंट सबसे पहले जा रहा था दिस A1 एरिया से A2. मैंने करंट डायरेक्शन को चेंज नहीं किए, लेकिन वोल्टेज पोलैरिटी ऐसे चेंज किए ताकि पावर रिवर्स हो गया. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ पावर रिवर्सल मेथड्स. फाइन. So this is the power reversal methods, and here the main things we should know: if the voltage polarity is changed, then power direction will be the opposite of the current direction. If the voltage polarity is positive, then power direction is the same direction of current. If the voltage polarity is negative, then the power direction is just the opposite of the current direction. Okay, and at first what we have assumed that the current and power both is flowing from A1 to A2. That is our pre-assumption. Okay, we have pre-assumed this thing, but then we are calculating, and if the PD is greater than 0 and IOD is greater than 0, that greater than 0 things mean our assumption is correct. If they are less than 0, that means our assumption is wrong. By this way, we can reverse the process of this current reversal. Thank you. And power reversal.